spend my time sort of running around, making sure everybody's busy, because I feel like I'm paying them, but I'm not. They're here to help, and that's really nice. See, this is like what happens is
I clean the...
I leave somebody a little job and then they strip everything. I just wanted them to sharpen the blade, but let's see. You know what you're doing, Theo? You're going to put it back together without losing any parts.
I clean and I always do those ones.
Perfect. Alright, well Theo's going to do a good job. So basically we had an orchard here, about 10 apple trees, which are all got infected because they weren't maintained over the years. And I'm going to have to build some retaining walls because I'm going to flatten this area here. I'm going to get this mini digger in, work on that, get proper soil in, soil that's got manure and fertiliser and composted, because the soil here is too gritty, it's not very good basically. The best option was that I cut the sanding out.
Yeah, but I think like the panels are just
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
So I will start with the frames because they seem dry.
Let me do the video first.
Oh, sorry.
So there's a lot of work. So first is just clearing the area and then getting the tree stumps out, which we're working on the last tree stump there. Theo was cycling through Slovenia and I just started chatting to him down the bottom of the street, invited him to the house, and he's like, yeah, I'll help you out, and that's it. 7 tree roots later, he's still here. He managed to dig 7 tree holes like this in 4 hours. You know, you couldn't pay someone to do that job that fast.
Theo! Coffee, oui. You will never fall down, it's perfect. I was just, you know, that's actually the only thing I did in the morning, yeah? Just hang it.
All morning.
What are you doing, man? Don't put the tools on the table, crazy, just on the floor or something.
Action! Alright, well, so that was a short introduction, or another introduction of what's actually going on here over a few days. So these guys from the States came, shot this little video for me, edited it all together and made a montage just to show what's going on here and my process, and the friends that have come to help out create this idea what I'm trying to do here, which is basically a place for people to come, work on the house, and once it's finished it'll be paragliding, people staying June, July, August, and then out of that time it will be fat cats. Fat cats and artists will come and stay, hopefully. I'd really like to do artists in residence for artists to create work and different projects basically. So I hope you enjoyed it.
That's perfect. That's perfect.
Yeah, I don't know.
Nice, thank you.
Yeah, no, it's thank you for doing it.
Of course.
Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden gold hair.